In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a template in Elementor. Whether you're building a new website or enhancing an existing one, using templates in Elementor can significantly streamline your workflow and ensure professional-looking designs. So, let's get started. First, ensure you're on the right page by opening the page you want to work on and clicking on Edit with Elementor. This will bring up the Elementor editor, allowing you to make modifications using its intuitive drag-and-drop feature. With the editor open, you should see your current layout on the canvas in the center of the screen, surrounded by the Elementor sidebar where all the widgets and tools reside. Now, direct your attention to the canvas area where you can modify content. In the upper area of the canvas, you'll find a small folder icon that opens up the Elementor template library. Go ahead and click on that folder icon. This action will open a window showcasing the entire Elementor template library. If this is your first time accessing Elementor's library on this site, you might receive a prompt asking you to connect your free Elementor account. Connecting your account is a simple process that unlocks the full range of templates available, from meticulously designed blocks to fully fleshed-out page layouts. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect your account quickly. Once connected, you'll have full access to all the resources you need, right at your fingertips. With your library now open, you'll see several options to browse through different types of templates. You can explore by blocks, which are individual sections like headers, footers, or call-to-action sections. Alternatively, if you need a cohesive theme, browse the full-page templates that offer complete pre-designed pages. If you've previously saved any custom designs, they will be under the My Templates section, allowing you to reuse your unique creations with ease. Once you've decided on the style you're interested in, take a moment to explore the various options available by hovering over the template that catches your eye. You'll notice that hovering will reveal the Insert button directly. Alternatively, you can click to preview the template in more detail before making a commitment. Should you find one that perfectly fits your vision, simply click Insert to add the template to your page immediately. By following these steps, you're not just applying a design. You're enhancing your web page's functionality and aesthetics, allowing you to focus more on content while ensuring a great user experience. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and are now more comfortable utilizing templates in Elementor. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!